Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 represents a significant milestone in the evolution of high-performance portable computing. As a 2025 model, it marks the integration of the latest technological advancements from several major hardware manufacturers into a single 16-inch chassis. The core of this machine is built around the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, which is a powerhouse designed for users who require substantial multi-threaded performance. This particular CPU features a 24-core architecture, which is cleverly divided into 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores. This hybrid design allows the system to allocate resources intelligently, using the high-power performance cores for demanding tasks like gaming or video rendering, while the efficiency cores handle background processes and lighter workloads to manage power consumption and heat. The performance cores can reach a maximum turbo frequency of 5.4 GHz, providing the high-speed execution required for modern software and competitive gaming. In terms of physical construction, the Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 continues the tradition of a sturdy and professional aesthetic. The design is characterized by clean lines and a functional layout that prioritizes cooling and accessibility. The chassis is built to accommodate a sophisticated thermal management system known as Legion Cold Front, which utilizes dual fans and a network of heat pipes to dissipate the energy generated by the high-wattage components inside. The 16-inch form factor is a middle ground that provides a large enough canvas for immersive experiences while remaining portable enough for transport in a standard laptop bag. The build quality feels substantial, with a focus on durability in the hinge design and the keyboard deck. The visual experience is centered on a 16-inch WQXGA OLED display. This screen technology is a significant step up from traditional liquid crystal displays, offering an infinite contrast ratio because each pixel can be turned off completely to produce true black. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels and a peak brightness of 500 nits, the screen provides a high level of clarity and vibrancy that is visible even in well-lit environments. The 16 by 10 aspect ratio is particularly useful for productivity as it offers more vertical space for documents and creative timelines compared to the older 16 by 9 standard. Furthermore, the 240 Hz refresh rate is a vital feature for those who engage in fast-paced digital activities, as it ensures that motion appears smooth and responsive with minimal input lag. Performance is where this laptop truly distinguishes itself, largely due to the inclusion of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. This GPU is equipped with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is the latest standard in video RAM, offering higher bandwidth and better power efficiency than its predecessors. The graphics card is configured with a total graphics power of 140 watts, allowing it to draw enough power to sustain high performance levels during long sessions. This ensures that the laptop can handle modern graphical demands at the native resolution of the OLED panel without compromising on detail settings. Supporting the processor and graphics card is 32 GB of RAM, which provides a massive buffer for multitasking and ensures that the system does not slow down when multiple heavy applications are open simultaneously. Storage is handled by a dual drive configuration totaling 2 TB. This is split into 2 separate 1 TB NVMe solid-state drives. Using 2 drives instead of 1 can offer benefits in terms of organizational flexibility and data management. It allows for the operating system and core applications to live on one drive while the second drive acts as a dedicated high-speed repository for large files and software libraries. This setup also leverages the high speed of the NVMe interface to ensure that boot times and load times are kept to an absolute minimum. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro as the operating system further points toward a professional leaning, providing additional security features and management tools that are often missing from the home versions of the software. When considering who this laptop is best suited for, it is clear that the machine targets a dual audience of high-end enthusiasts and creative professionals. The combination of an Ultra 9 processor and an RTX 5070 makes it an excellent choice for individuals involved in three-dimensional modeling, complex video editing, or software development where compile times are a factor. The OLED screen with its high color accuracy and contrast makes it a viable tool for photographers and colorists who need a dependable mobile workstation. At the same time, the high refresh rate and powerful graphics hardware cater to those who want a premium experience in virtual environments or competitive simulations. It is a machine for someone who needs a desktop replacement that does not sacrifice screen quality or processing speed. The balance of the machine is further enhanced by its connectivity and input options. The keyboard is designed with a full number pad and generous key travel, which is a necessity for those who use the laptop for data entry or professional work. The port selection is typically comprehensive on these models, usually featuring a mix of USB Type-C and Type-A ports along with HDMI and Ethernet connectivity, often positioned at the rear of the device to keep the workspace clear of cables. This thoughtful layout supports a clean desk setup while still allowing for a wide range of peripherals to be connected simultaneously. In terms of performance, the 24 cores of the processor and the 12 GB of video memory create a ceiling that is very high. This means that for the average task, the laptop is barely working, which translates to a quieter and cooler experience during day-to-day use. However, when the full 140 watts are pushed to the GPU, the cooling system is designed to ramp up and maintain stability. This ability to transition from a quiet office machine to a high-performance workstation is a key part of why this specific configuration is valuable. It provides a level of versatility that is difficult to find in thinner or less powerful devices. The price for this configuration is approximately $2,699 at the time of writing. While this is a significant investment, it reflects the inclusion of top-tier 2025 components like the GDDR7 memory and the high-end OLED panel. When looking at the overall package, the value comes from the lack of bottlenecks. Often, a laptop might have a great processor but a mediocre screen, or a great GPU but not enough RAM. This model avoids those pitfalls by providing 32 GB of memory and a 2 TB storage array right out of the box, meaning the user does not have to worry about immediate upgrades. To summarize, the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i Gen 10 is a comprehensive high-performance laptop that bridges the gap between a gaming powerhouse and a professional workstation. It utilizes the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 to deliver a high level of computing power that is well supported by a premium OLED display and a robust cooling architecture. The 32 GB of RAM and dual TB SSDs ensure that the machine is ready for heavy workloads immediately. It is an ideal fit for anyone who requires a mobile device capable of handling demanding technical tasks while providing a top-tier visual experience. While the cost is roughly $2,700, the selection of 2025 hardware and the balanced approach to design make it a reliable and powerful choice for those who need high-end performance in a portable 16-inch format. It is a well-rounded machine that manages to be powerful without being overly flashy, maintaining a professional demeanor that hides its significant internal capabilities. This makes it a dependable tool for a wide variety of high-stakes digital tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.